Good morning, everybody. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to go over performing your steering valve calibrations and your wheel angle sensor calibrations within your Pro 700 display equipped 250 series combine. All right, folks, first things first, we're going to go ahead and start with the rear wheel angle sensor calibration. To complete this calibration, we need to make sure we have our wheels steered perfectly straight. One of the easiest ways to do this is to navigate to our run screen that contains our swath map and physically engage the machine on a straight swath to allow the machine to straighten itself out. That, or you can manually steer it to make sure the wheels are centered. Once we've done this, we can click on the back button at the bottom of the screen here and then move over to calibrations. Once inside the calibrations tab at the bottom of the screen here, we're going to click on the calibrate tab. We're going to hit this drop down menu and select the correct calibration from this list. We're going to click on this rear wheel position sensor, and next we need to read what this is telling us to do here. If you guys remember, I already had you steer the machine straight via either a straight A-B line or manually steering it. So once we read that, we can come in here, double check this, and then click on OK. We just sit here for a minute, and now it's going to learn where the straight position is for our rear wheels. Okay, once we've completed the rear wheel position sensor calibration, we can go ahead and move on to the steering valve calibration. Again, we'll hit that drop down menu and click on steering valves. Again, listening to the warning displayed here on screen. Once we've met these conditions, we can go ahead and click on OK. And then we need to follow, again, the directions displayed here on screen. So we must advance the engine to maximum RPM, and we will begin moving forwards very slowly. Okay, once that's done, we can go ahead and click on Test Right, and the machine will begin testing where right is. Okay, now we've tested the right, we can click on Test Left. Alright, now the course calibration has been completed. We need to move on to the fine calibration, again performing what it says here on screen, doing that fine calibration at least 3 times for each side. So we'll click on Next, we'll test right, we'll test left, and for our purposes today, I'm only going to do the one fine calibration. However, like it said earlier, it must be performed 3 times. That way we can get an accurate calibration completed. Once we've finished doing this, we can go ahead and click on Done. And it will say here on screen, calibration has been completed. Alrighty, folks. You've now successfully learned how to complete a steering valve calibration and a wheel angle sensor calibration to your Pro 700 display equipped 250 series combine. Now, for more information over the Pro 700 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Berkey's farm store to speak to your precision farming specialist.